What does ye a ye chuma?
It's a living testimony. Koneko Judy.
What can keep ya
I'm sorry. Obie Timinumbi. I just happened for 1 woman for down for any the onion fear do me.
FDA. Ashe sa adwade nkrato yi mu agia to mu se eye
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu so I'll shoot you straight
Radiant Pempens where do they? Let go for family dish, maybe beneath a brony or Fediano. No, I best see Trodo Amatua.
Here, Anima, Nade.
Surprise 3 days in the malaria. No, my God, to make us a
Men check with our malaria crown, many baby pa.
I saw Minda Naya bring Ponkatachi, Minim Senya Mitino, Mebano, Mebuame. Aso a drone ni Dawood Heba Mr. a drowi me dom sima
Aso kono for What am I ready? Dawood Heba Mr. Adia Mammy dish ya chess or call bit my friend to ye. Bra Bema. With a chow. Dawood Heba Mr. Safinina running it.
Enkratui FD Ajiatu.
Adi.
Honey, I never surprise you. Edusa herbal mixture, any Edusa herbal capsules, and who dreaded there, you could debrill. Who said Dawo complaining with Sissini Cocoa, Epe Ajiwakade, Edusa herbal mixture, any Edusa herbal capsules, and who jack a sepan and neck, you could debrill. William, a yama money mema, Edusa herbal mixture, any Edusa herbal capsules, and your cocoa Sicilia drink a sepa.
Edusa Heba Mixture.
Any Edusa Heba capsules. Mr. Rotsnasi. Namen seven.
Edusa Heba mixture. Any Edusa Heba capsules. Emma Memegina Brani. Na a yemay.
Ah! Na Edusa was the same with Bravo.
Sweetie, maybe come on, mammy, I draw more.
Hey! What does ye a ye chuma?
It's a living testimony. Koneko Judy.
What can keep ya
I'm sorry. Obie Timinumbi. I just happened for 1 woman for down for any the onion fear do me.
FDA Ashe sa adwade nkrato yi mu agia to mu se eye
As my mother looking at Che, Nemo cover, and mobile a more TV, and a dash on phone, and a piece of phone in a telephone, not just a festival, it's a Good Friday, and see, even I am my own official. Lady Diane, a doing it, Gemfi, Quartin, Akusia. But if it's a brave position, or she and Pembo, as usual, coordinated bro stories making headlines in the world of showbiz, and Yabo Buano, and I did my best so much some papa, and they say a holidays edition, and I did bro, and a very, very, very exciting. But you stream live on Facebook, a Mo TV, Sanso, and I stream it on YouTube, Mo TV. So when you get there, you click on the live. Na washe ewo wo hwe no na washe na afofo so ensa akabi wadaroma abwafo bia daroma na dada no wo mo eso yasne dindindin ama yedi dwumedi ebro asida enkoma CJ Fashions kuma se ameko ono no jobre na okrodi me every single morning ema betna dwumedi so edebro enti no opese ye pam African clothing edemau ye fa yakasi local fabric e fa empam e fa show Emma Upo Enyefa a CJ Fashions. Kumasi Amekum Eno to Woodrow Sweet FM Ash FM Junction Wagons and a billboard no Isiho. Freno I was 0268 505021 now when I'm entering was a to fabric where they come when I said the fabric every palm what designer no I fake. As I come out Dawood, Dr. Dawood ointment and baby so Dawood mixture chrome. When your ointment need be a waposo and waposo a ointment na also no would you treat send a bear or more a bed form. Sounds like would Mr. No, if German swap when you be a malaria fever be a TT or no, me patcho, a bear drill, so we see pile, so now see a type. We all know malaria parasites no, a boreni peggy no one sena, a mark in a centimeter taisa or chancebi or bar painful, a bassa because make us will be planner and sonedru. Nenso na obi a enso na dro ne mo na malaria symptoms and na sa what your bra na one Dawood herbal mixture let us say bibia it's me I ajibro oba on which come basa wants make am farmer seven bi ebe ma if you no abaso ahun kamoni elia ma me samada measure this order 2 months 3 months now o menstruate here na also no ajibro na one a very collect system na ma koma ato ye Dr. Chapan e wo seshi asa nwena so eho na owa odini juma it say untimi ko seshi kra na numbers to be screen so pick it up now the friend so na kasa di running na people fun wa be deliver na ama koma ato ye RNG formula T for some prayers ne sati we e so palatable to the extent say e 2 na say na mekano e wo RNG feminine formula T any war RNG formula men's tea. Now, I am to say tea bag, no. What the answer will be you know, what the better is to shame, na wakafra, one for sugar, one for more concern, and one say one of my ebema prostate, no ebema, very stabilized. If you are not open more to try, I don't want to drop up to be my hygiene. If I save you, I can say, I dear day, oh baby, but you're now on Saturday, and hygiene. And then what's my senator? See, Bema opposite save you when you are here, the baby, and the baby, you know, but they are say, when on TV, now up wow, posted you can say you need to not pound, not a cook, and just say, also, what so ye, a Bema urine flow, no, what you saw, and the back come up, and when you're ya, you must show, introduce see, and so to through Bema must be Emma, then also the dog in the bro. Now, what you be a ship, decide a ship, be a moves to do a, will be a befa. Area call sort of say Pensima Sanka RNG formula men's tea na no farmer men sasa feminine tea no so be ma many aba we flow the be come out menstrual flow no so e be ya come kan area ma na be screen so we answer be fa na when no atwehwe enkomo ye be born be de area so e bia na no ato ma member studio na memema bedwafo akwaba na fe no ye fe dwede no ehye so ansa na no ma memfa asida PC enkoma eye mekwa aboabo anope na wo mo a aboabo wo post office kono ma etade wo ko esaso wo ho to sakodwa e wo ho medamu nyina se echiamo unfortunately edini nyina mirefi Neso no, minim sa mo hweme anope. Isra kamo, ma de fefe a enra moye ede maame. Enra mo gije me so a ibi ma da. Na me mo nchiri mu biye mo ahye. Na titi ana se mo nyina mo nka me ho. Ye na twedi akonya kokon na assistance enra. Kene ka me metina ha. Na be program e abro. E ka se e ka asemboni bisi. Neso. Na kokon do ne menti no. Oyi me e de feel. Enra people Muslims we super sebi me no want afo we super na me drop wa won tani sebi Muslim bia sign down ya won so wase e ke so be try for me say no they have love we will do and no drama so chere oh ya me show afakaba
ya go ma
oje
eri ambanda
ya bandi ni aba
dana no bre
eastern one
ba yesi dia ni edi itu ya koda na me be kasa
kasa dada
ade
ebra me se mi ma me fro bia yes abotimi na eno accident a esi
na boje
abo pe ye me fa se no nine echo
enumre
na hwe articulator active na mi se dinechi na container half containers ni bi esi so
eba na ji na drink on
aba eba na ji na eba na chi no na fe na akwa ko fan chain post office kwa tenra traffic chief for me question about to like eba me fanisa eba jofio nyina na say
ndi ama oka
no e che se menim baby a amoden ene yakopon abofo me de na no nyina so be sanfra
driver ni muso yo ba
na no ni say kan tente na senia da bi na na wo hwe
okay
na mia mitimi sa di na chie na wo hwe sade na wo ni tuewu owo ne ba na mia hode ni fihi o se fihi o na yakopon be shemi wan say akoma ba
kaza
na mia be show mu bi na bofo bi be show mi no se kan wo da ne ka no na be hwe say memma no ka ya de people also be a to run for your life na ya de pim na me se me fam pim obia na me dane me hu se ya sugar me ho tene ka ni fasi na your friend is saying the packing no me be fancy container no short container no say slow motion by be Tommy say be Tommy me ka ni nyina so amwa ya kofom na me sugar me ho na be to ka ni enti wuni ati kweta na be to wuni mi ka ni sugar me ho
woni
ti bi woni na wo hwe ma kofo ko chi le ka na na awo yo ba enti mo na mo ka me
na me ya de
mi si me video mo video fi na mi ja on fa kwa na oti mo se
awosiagu
menti mi akaka ni bi
osiagu
ti isra kwa na me no bisuya ma mi kete ma yi mo so
ene ya to buburo we
ma wi bi dada
buburo
ma wi bi
wala de to buburo we na mi shira
aba wo pejam
ya bom ya didi
ya ba de na
ni ya da ni ya sorry
bra ka start studio ha so mo hwe be ni sa
ko ti akura
ka se na officer
fe ko to ti hwe no kura no wo yo no efe
sa na ye
ko ti hwe no
obi e di na dwuma
ya dwuma blagoi
wona wa brego sambia ko ka me papa
se ya fe na me sanda ko fe mo hwe kra papa mo hwe papa me ko ti hwe no na me
ya chiawo ntian so ne nya
e be nwa se na no ya trum
ko ti hwe no pa
ana na wa no ya trum obi a be chie o ma be chie na wa chi na fa ama ko kra nye mu ni fam ne ka se
ko ti
Papa.
Akaba.
Mejoso.
Many anti said the menyawa.
Mr. Many anti say, Oban Sam no share accident ma na nyame you were free. Na Easter me no me no. Almost say na a good day.
Good Friday.
Thank you. Na only me better twin
because I didn't make can me boss so crab because say because time na me bani nyina na me rabi na me boss chat.
Wow. Yeah.
And see the ba ma bi mu abra me nuanom kramofo no ma no yesuso mi mu ne de yesa tutu mi ko ne de me kwatena baby na ne jai e member no be ma kra so ma mi twika ni go no aje kan na e ba mtim se enti kasese mi wia kasamba kuzbeka se na sa me ne kra de chat
nice
of asbeka se no paying na ya kwa adwuma wo enti ko bia beka Nedie
sanity.
Na me crab do for you say me wo fi me no amo. So amo.
Ono
so be ka say na so me na ka say no pay obi program no o say o fi no amo.
Na ya na ka say na easy sineso. Sa na ya no yisu we.
Yes.
Am say na easy sineso. No no dia na say our say to ka.
Enti obi abeka ne de. Is also come madam for being so well, no so me jina one am see oh. Me koye interview baby aye dey. Aba. To also ka say na ko so ba won tina se. And I'm so far body no go. Na me kwa aba. Na me dwendwen won say me ma me ke just be ka say na no be kura no me na kasa. Nti na aye me bebre ti in fact em na bisu. We na almost me so na ya me dwedwe se obi abe Canada of abe Canada but Samda kusi di obeka say na me na chat because o send him my na me nya na me so me man replanning na I was driving I was in the traffic
okay
chat so I was like what my boss say banya me adi
you do trade and pass bro Because
every idea me who know. I never did chia.
Sorry, I won't see you.
It's ready. We're running in our gym. See, can't a car to me. Danny can't say ya. Now, we just say, container neighbor, see, many carrying that they came a patcha because container ever medical energy, national emblem.
Nyamia dia
for the club. Me catch them was semi bow. Cinema bow. And sham me and no grammar for our mobile post office or opposite Yatin over Domas. I was young, Capra, young Gomera. You came, Mama. You came, Mama.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. So I'll shoot you straight.
For radiant pempens, where do they? Now, go for me, they share me beneath a brunia or Fediano. No, I best see Trodo Amatua. Here.
Anima, nothing.
So 3 days in the Mina malaria, no man going to make us a
men could have malaria crown many baby pa.
I saw Minda na ya brim pon katachi. Me nim senya mtienti no. Me ba no, me boa me ho. Mo asew aduro ni nie. Dawood Herbal Mixture. Aduro wi me yire dom sima.
As a corner for one magic wedding. Dawood Herbal Mixture, the mammy dish, actually, or call bit my friend to see ye. Bra, Bema, with a chow. Dawood Herbal Mixture, Safinina running in.
And Cratui FD Agiatu.
Adi, honey, I never surprise you. Edusa Herbal Mixture, and Edusa Herbal Capsules, and no who dreaded there. You could debrail. Who's a dow complaining with Sissini Cocoa, Epe Ajiwakade, Edusa Herbal Mixture, and Edusa Herbal Capsules, and no who jack a sepan and neck. You could debrail. William, a yama money mema, Edusa Herbal Mixture, and Edusa Herbal Capsules, and your cocoa Sicilian drink a sepa.
Edusa Herbal Mixture.
Any Edusa Herbal Capsules. Mr. Otsnasi. No men serve.
Edusa Herbal Mixture. Any Edusa Herbal Capsules. Emma Memejina Brani. Na yeme.
Ah. Na Edusa was saying me bravo we.
Sweetie, maybe come on my mommy Adwamwa.
Hey. What does ye? Aye chuma.
It's a living testimony. Kona kwa Judy.
What can keep
I'm sorry. Obie Timinumbi. I just happened for one woman for down for any the onion fear do me.
FDA. Asheshe sa adwade nkrato yi mu. Agye atum se eye.
All right, let's see. You can't have live on call. You should be live on Facebook, Kumo TV, same on YouTube, Kumo TV. Now, my first story, I made it once offer General NG offer.
Account.
I know. I know. But it's a man from Brewanka and Rakana Samanya me wish to be a woman. Yes. He picked me, he drove me.
No, just say.
Oh no, he made me coffee. He picked me out.
And then your son, you wouldn't mean.
As my first time I made it, bro, a year, papa. A elder Mreku, and now they say, be at you, so 2 million feet tea. I want the power. They won't open the say, your memory. And yes,
you won't have it. Oh, yes, oh, Sandra. Yesu ni komo yidi yo nyame ati ase onede sa
afi adwumi enye one a watwe radio. There's another one a okorie bi wom
utumi kana wompa ba wona te na wa mede erade tirame wonga wo twen ewa nyawade ofu what the interbank to say okore utume kana wambaba wana te na wa mera erade tirame ba
onyum na release no I am intent to din about say Ghana Music Awards and even gospel music a year. I don't really hear you in it. Maybe I'm too many moments. Say you were once a nominee in the Ghana Music Awards 2005. We are better citations. CBA wa hani nyina aka and ho asem ba akumi no bi. But obi baby say with the kind of work you are doing and how God is moving you. Adena eba ye everyday live music awards. Yeah yen shedan tewoni. Yen hu wo. Is it that one year we turn it down invitations le niama na say den poten
yeah award one say mo Ghana na de me pacho na me pese me kan one say bebre me say adepe bia we nyame nsem no time no so a nyame pese ode mawa
ode be mawo
enti nje wa otumi ka akopra de ne ho okopre mo aye say wa na ode tumi bi ko aye ni pasem be ni fi nyame ne mre ne so a onu nyame na otumi se auditions em se no etie no obati hu nsem bebre me ka enye yie etine o producers ni managers e ka ye ho
omo no betimi
be me no betimi mpre me nkuru ade no se mabasa mo mabaso na minim se dodo na ewo omo wo oman ni mu no enim adwuma ye
oh yeah jide aji watu
eno kwa amayekoma eto ye
akoma to ye wo nyum bisa
what no bisa
mami ntie se metie
kawa koma to ye mo ye wo nyame oh ti ase oh sakra Yesu ni komo yidi ye wo nyame oh
I love him. It's a name man my home but best idea for us I don't find for fast so it will review so
wow
mashada
obani
me do papa when you are there for
well that's it
my head that is say otu onyom onya award da ye mo no onim senya memory and remember be can fa
me papa no me chiao ono se bi wiase aye wen se ye wonyum tufo beblebe na Ghana ha ankasa no sa ono type of nyuma what to worship no enye nipa bebre na ya na se wo mu akomadi akire ti dia me hu ni se ono ne nyum no eye wo yi free bible ma ankasa ene nyamenyum bia wote wona wutia wotim se awose ntimi gu so wo problem bi na se ekua wotie sa nyum na ni nyina timi ko na mu ni se wo ma award no ya na chance no ya na o mu na ya na blame wo mu kakra because omo hwehwa nyuma wo krom nyina na se omo ma omutim se anyum we die e kopa se kese ye man award no so se bia nipa no kra mfa anko no omo ntimi prompt no se o bia papa na ma me onyum we die ye de ni nipa so pe ye pese ye pejaw ni ye bo abaso omo nyeda nipa no kra so dia kokra no se tip of cash amama ma me yemfiu ede minim no nti me papa nyom ne de no kure ne nyum bia me ano metia ikaim le bi oh minya problem kitua bi sa nyum na na solve man me came at them and one another. Tininium de make my guys de neja, Yanum no way chileno, and honey assemble. Sir,
no deserve.
It is said, or can't say your memory and memory panel, and the panel should do one woman minim so more my word now on Betom on Saffron. Maternity.
Of Papa.
Amen.
Of us, Bessie J.
I know a thing.
Yamisha.
I know a thing. Yam.
Why?
Oh,
I like it.
I used to go in the country.
I have a quarter. The bone uniform quarter and one who be there.
So many namkin do well.
Ah, okay. Ah, so
young boy, I know. Young boy. I am Proverbs 21, verse 2. For say, Onipa Aquan Biara train so. Na akumamu waye efiri awurade. Enti ye tie kakra ye papa yi ka. On se nipa ne ye hunu ya ye tie. Na ye hweso e de jeje ya setene mu ayete. But ne odi akumamu nkomo no, on na wosoro ono so Oma award organization no na award man no wotewa no surprise wa brabo. Wote asem na se ye na nka Yesu na ye wan awards ene wan gafka wan no wonya bi a ango problem ba nya Yesu na ema na ye nipa ne ema yi de ene ne ye beti asem na se o se ye de ye be ne etua ni wa wote asem na se na no papa no mum na akoma mum aye de efiri no me kan dia ko ti se ye wo ye papa Mark Abraham apa enyom isisa wo de obi ba o ti ase so opa no be wura de na so mo na hu se tape wo de na nim na de wo de Mark Abraham nyum shim akra no be sa kira dem a ahye ne ntade asori abia ko wo ti ase papa na beto nyum we nyina maame yehu na wo do korokora aya na ade media bibifo ho ya se ye betena ase aka se wa mfane nyum ama se ma ya ade na ase ma ya ade na abebo ma baso a ne nyum no nya no na wutie ya ase ma ya ade no me nti ase ediri nyina akọ besisi kape boni emimu mfa so pe no na de saaba because se wa wo de ba de a ene wanya interest on tu pe so we no de bibi kakra be de e be sa asoso so ti asem na se adwuma bia no oni pe ya wo mpesika tamu musika asem ne ye se obi nim se edamreku e ba program na se oye ne fan se ni pakro be tua sika no wawuram eno ne mu musika wo ti asem na se na fe abasobodi ye se fata ni pe de ama no ba we de ye so amfa ni CD ama na dia hin na wutie ndi a ozo so ya ade no ndi ba na ode ndileze no so obi ye good no amfa ama na obi nyum nkanse no no utimi de ba de a na se wo se mu presi wo no na ni pasam ne do so wo ye mu dodo mame
e je se yampa no
o jama to nyum na nyum o tue nim se nkwase anyum kwan no de be fra ye Jesus tamo obo yenkwe Yesu tamo obo yenkwe Yesu di ba mu nti wode ni CD aba na ma edamreku ato nyom te sane yetiti ni CD ama musi ojamba ne nyoma na me etu nti no ye de ama ojama nyanza ye de ma award no ene de he eti ye besira ye bibire mu no eto de en case nsi so na nyame na hira nipa ewom se wo bo ka na ye nti ne asi nipa mewura mu nti asika no wo ka za wo organize no watima se sasa be ye papa no mu mpanyimfo edamreku ko ye papa am bo ni din Mark Abraham ko mi am papa kwasi bo aten ko what is that ye won ko fu anafa so te sa nyum we ya hu za wo kra adwane wo ho wa utimi za wo pray we nyame bi ya to aso da sa na mic ni wo be ko papa wo de nsa na ye ma bue akumamo bue na jigum wo za gbanguru na koso so na ya de organ nyina di akire enso to wa na wo chate enwura wo nya wo hwe ne ba otimu anse chate wo boy se entam be pon asole wa ni adrede enum no ntimi nya hwe wo abra bo mu ma ndi ne ba otimu anse wo aso dem na wo pono wo fun so hebi because nya atu wo tie no emwa patetefo no bubusa se Mark Abraham pa na nanka sa spend and machine bebrebe ye bolli jeta ne wan ye de support me papa mirekui o to Pentecost no wa tim se papa yi o firi ne kram o yi firi trenim enen ya Yesu an Sunday school na nya no kora na bebre ya zan eno na ngofo ede to no go firi Sunday school kwa asole no onzi aso dem bimdi quotation go ni ba bi wo edini ya ba so mo ne so mo fa no kora nya du o mani panni ni fifire so aba nipa na bre enna lumba ka bie no wasi so obi bra mo mani ni so aba na munya asa mudi bata na mo sa ba se nipa na nyina wi ontimi mbie no na mo sa ba ba se di no esa nipa na odi yawo nyame otua ka wo ho ye ba so mo wa wo se ne so mo nya krado mo nyai na ade a wo ya no kura nim no osoro kura wo yi na ni hintam ndu de check kuro ma wo epaja na ade agu because no kura ni nhim ukọ abrocho mu mfa sasi kapa bone ni anibira na nya ade akwa no tatu agu ne ho nsoma ade hyehyɛ ne hunu ne na funu mu nyina ye prede nyom du betima ka dem sa American we ya no na de ne nyom ko ye tena se dwene hu se ade na aba no wo deserve wo ti ase no ma sponsors and your sponsors no ma betina ni mere wu sika no ene onim se lewe ba ni pe ba be wuram so be sa me na sika ndinya wu si di na ade ba de kakra ka ho no ye nkwa ye so bibia mu a ni ade yale ye kakra bata oni ase ade no ohun ya mabo
papa wakasa quotation say you mama quotation now kan no
Proverbs 21 verse 2 asi onipa akwan biala tene nani so
onipa akwan ye dey
tene nani so na akoma mu kalifo ene awurade yo kali akoma
so mama so quotation no kese no aka asem ni nyina o tiawa odo mabere nipa Nyami huya mopo.
Ojao. Eto bo Mr. Pomba.
Me danse. Mai no. Nyamliku. Me to me pass on no.
Na kakra boy wo se ni nyina.
Oh, ba ya se no. Enje na pass on.
O da za dadam. Ti da bia hun zamanfo.
Na ade ba ko a ya na ye me de. O ma we ho. No. Ene sopoku.
Aboti.
Ana we. Ene sopoku ana we omo na mpo mo da mo hwe bibi o ma ya tim sese no o ma we no nipa ye wom ye mpa so no nipa ne mpe
eni so aso ni me ya tu aso ni ma
na nipa do do se eni dabi wo to so no mpa so dem ni ye ba ti wo mo ye nipa de se ni wo wiase ye mpa so no ye pe wiase no asia so no eti award no ya man o ma we mu no ya fa ma ya mfro kwa de ma ya mfro satawali wo bada bay someboy wo bada bay ko don kasa kwa sha so woto no kra no wo bada bay
and we start America
eti ni mebi wonu mu a ya mu fu mani ntwo ma na mu tim no e mu nipa se de nipa sitie aso me hu se e fi se me ni frede me mu se ya program a ya frem pan fo so mu to so no mu a ya mu ma wo da ya mu bi da up to now ya mfa ma wonu mo do wonu aso ni mo do enye do ya ma
se sara fa kan e on bet se fia ka say you didn't present your song
ayo mind mu o ma na utim na su ni ya ban ena wie ye sei kwa ya se ni dum ya small boy friend say Sopoku no wanya award say
wono kura
o mun ka say wanya award say
na why research dey o jam
o ba so wanya award say
wonya bi kura wanya bi
ibi say wanya say
say dodo ni
dey say na wonya
say no offer dey na offer say onya bi da
wanya akwari ya powerful wanya bi da
ena bride ya wo kan onu wanya bi pen
sa
na nu say bata ba wa award che ne say bata ba ba
afede mo je ya kan o ko boso ni na togu baabi asi kokko so togu baabi si e be fa ni be sakra ye be tie no ya mfa na ono wo tinti no to e wada so ni mo be kwakosa wa sha tare ma na wo maguo wada so ni mo ye ben je ye nipa ni wo wiase ya dwene wo ye emu no e ye se be so e ye mo adwene ya triko e wuram tani me fie ke papa yo tiwe ukubusa se o sha se wo to no se wo for na sitem no fo wo hwe na bra bo mu a e be me ka se kwa kwa woni bi
e be ya sole
eno die jaka
me ba o for me bo eti atani se de nu esi adei adei na nso
so patronizing ne
asisie kwasie buo anya dwembone
se omo ne mo royalties asa one of these days was say ye na no ye dey offer buy na ye be hwe say ye dey insa be ka offer or dem breku na ono akasa me bisa ni say because I'm not sure say ye man royalty obi be say you can say so omo royalties omo ye we so but me problem am me want say I was saying ka baby offer omo atunu ma adu award ni dey o say sama wo mo sa
na award kwa no ese kwa mo kwa no mpanifu kwa no mo hwe wo mo maya adabatai
ye hunu omo ya ho kanya ne sese bi boys na band ya dani nsebu konka panyini we betima to nsa afre ne fie wonyo mo ede ba wo fa ba bi se wo fa ba bi se ye ni sei wo se ne kra dum na hono hunu se ene papa yi hwa me de ya wo se me komani ba ya ma panyifo na ye nkwasi ampafo ndi hwan na etu akra ne fo to no osi kwan ne so a se hunu bi a wo be keka ye bi eno na ama boys ne ye omo ho sa because anya no amfa mpeska na china mba ne se ne amoye mpanifo no ndi ne obekan fun kakra no eda beto nyom kakra no waya da no asame di ba bi mi amo ba se eda ko di agro kakra so kan se hunu oye we na mo ya da no no de ne namu no okogo anya ne sa wo be mena be hedem se ya
ofa areho na nyame hu ye
wo ma ne atimu no wo ma ne atimu no ye ne panino akro ye nyina dwe one way ye nyina ye dwe one way
ojam papa unim ba bia ni studio no na sole wo sa enyo no na sole wo culture center
wo free na
wo free wo
ama culture center wo ton e de ba amu bi ba
wo la yi na free wo
dabi ma me ka sam chen sa sa mo okay mi se mi na o ya sole wo
ya
anso ne ko je o ye anya na ton apoto na ma mi bi anu de ya ba.
Oh wow.
Oh my dear.
What they have back yes.
The last time I called the program na Bantam Pentecost and I now open us no be home to I think say he was celebrating the number of years. I've forgotten the real years now old, you know.
Who's married? I don't think what so.
Very.
O tu fu so.
I don't think what problem.
Yes, but say no, Kofodia no.
Sir.
So baby,
it doesn't matter.
I want to go.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
My first second. Bra, so I would get you. Obey so passionate.
Papa no anointing one so said you jam si kan na me hu ni da de ntia me ka se enyo na nasole wo culture center no me e ko meeting akamfo nti ho no na me ko gira nuanim no ofiri wo ba no scratch bra oh waye advert bi ye makono waye ade the way we see a gift nyame de achew koso de wuye bia mema nipa mu abam se e bia eye ade sei na wakawie na eye me wanwa papa ipa na nya kwan ene me ka se na advert ni so o kan na advert ni nyina ya donko but opeso otumi fo se obi be ka se bia eye nsa so nti wose ma obi ka bibia fa ho a mani mu mapam na hu se eye gift ko nye ni pen nyina na edom ye bibia eta eyeye to ken no ka so o na bisan se daddy na hade o beto akuaba na no asosi de mo da bi o memo masole wa ha mi studio crasa wo inside ene ma mi wura ho ma mi wura no o kan se ni nua ba ni akuafrie woni akuafrie no to adwa gospel no to ken am so wow akuafrie su de me kapo
offer de
wonim se you aso nyumo mutui lumba amanfo ko kwaja advice wo mu ho
e dey
advice e kan say yes as papa be say afut
so wo jam obi show se kabrofo
and I brofo do
da nti advice ya wo ka no nyabotre na chim advice
offer talk to him
beba
talk to him I'm not started English
David beba
last one so don't speak English
papa no unso de kono akose okopɛ futu kwa firi hoda
o nipa beble ko otum panfo beble fo ndem ya mani ahu
anya nim to for my second story embra because that says now what we want you better say
aye no kure ma me
second story enche bia to say now bulldog ebetina my brand program so now o can say Hwana Nado intimi the president of Ghana his excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo if you are intimi ND the president no I say 4 years term na we say me ma yekochie no me ho nsem kra yitwa port akwane abane ade na that's all ya Nigel Gezi prophets e dey about to just say wo ye no na ye papa ba wo me e na go share ye papa Akufo-Addo e pa wa bra in the 4 years and so another prophecy. Let's watch the video and come. Maybe I say let us say
I'm the leader of Prophetic. I saw prophetically that the now president, Dr. Bawumia, was wearing the shoes of the now president, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo. But I didn't see it
past 2024.
What does that mean?
So what it means is that anything can happen within this time to 2024 where Dr. Bawumia will be the president. But I was clear in the spirit. The Lord carried me.
Well, the president travels and he's here. He becomes.
No, I'm not speaking academically. I'm not speaking with the wisdom of men.
Okay.
I'm speaking spiritual. Okay. And I've seen that more than 4 or 5 times.
And you don't expect it to travel beyond?
No, it's not me not expecting it. I didn't see it going beyond 2024.
In other words, if he contests on the ticket of the NPP in 2024, he will lose.
No, this is just the clear vision I saw, and it's loaded. Like I said, for my part.
And lots of professors here and there, left and right and center. I don't know. So does it mean His Excellency Bawumia shouldn't contest for, the presidency, or what? What is happening? I don't know why lots of prophecies are coming out. Be 4-year term, I can't know what baby, and I see, but I see, and I see. Alright, so what's up on the Sebi? Wolfrey Mona. You're not be you got your problem on.
What the bomb is out to bomb?
Oh, please. You jump for car because we jump out. Offer.
Mamma. Bob.
Ah, if I check me.
Bob. Offer. Pacho. Do better so kase wo ye sofo ana. Wo ye sofo.
Bob. Uni ma ko nja Bob. The India of one say, Yever to Aban. But shall come say, Radi Pin and no. Na His Excellency John Dramani Mama, Wafa Kunyano. And na Yabo Baba no have a beacona, na ma Mary. No, Sabet na a can say, Mumiamutamun or Mulium. Dana Kunya, move to presidency and our party. Man and your crumpo, woman and a country. Man and your crumpo. Yet, Grum Gosso. And this is a ballot boss pay. Bubu near Mamma Soja for the BP of a bomb, yet your groom gosso, and PP are fairly paying me a bomb. Wine and your crumb for. It is me, Umianitum, no percent of one emra. And answer Sabi, Mentum was an emra. And now we Udium, sir, and a jack we and Yaminko when you prepared in the village moon or Thomas and the court. Sabi Ziga crank on any baby, lawyer for Cojidiqua. Namosomo je mo ka credit ye ayanse e bomb pay attach ya me adia kunya na fina na adonsem ye de ne sa ene abobọ wi a ye papa ma amate ne ba bi ka mo ma papa ne nyene ne ho no won prepare ko be fa so as wonya konya bi ma obetimi aba wa header because omo ka to wa papa ne bewu ena sila na ado ho den enu obeso won kan hye kina unim se ye de asam to so a etimi kum
nanka
Ejuamu bobo so ami uza ade no na papa ne mfa na dwene ma ode ma na yare go to ebo wa na so wadwene na edum spirit ubo wanza wokọ anan po sensi na so odwene ho na yare ebo no mtese de wakọ abrochia na o maka se sa asam ne kan na nke ebesie no na ni 3 years ye sa bompa ya hunhun ndi na okọ ye wa ma ko ye panyini any moment from now betima yare de nyate yare na ne ye de ahye se nka owuo na eba na yenya na egina ye ene ye bompa ye na sei etoso biem. One person has a confusion because nipa bia pe leadership. It go aka ni say na ba wo miatie. Mo za ye ne dey say na so owu am na be di president ne dia na nko nye ni papa na sa adwe na be di ni tirim. Two boys were starting ye ho adwuma. So when a spiritual father no ye ho adwuma. What ya sam na say because madam mame nipa ya se ni odi wachi na sere woto nanka enti etomre bia ya adwuma se ni onim se wuni ho obenya kwan o de me yemfa akura bi mna se da ya entima ma adwuma na obe host tu of amo na hwe se so ya reserve prayer o ye di baboni ni ada bia ne mpa e bonye se yare ya eti se ko ba se John Dramani ma ye papa Bawumia oni adwen mpa ma na adwa afa mpa e bo obebo nyina se ene ya esi wata meze pense bi nsinam so metena so 2 days kura na ko fo ya krado ma we nanka ono so na machire nanka esi amba no prophecy abam se no yetu omu fo mo nyina adina esi omu bi Senator Frache vice president wo hunu se wa media akonya ni bi kura watima ya vice president of Ghana no wa ye bi etesa akonya die na eye den na tu go na hechire enti etesa ne wodi akonya na one president ne nya omoka na ye ntokwa na ala nso aye so keni mama mani amre na so timi godi akonya na minya mama maje no no so de na create confusion ti abeto aba na mani zifo anya omuhuturodo ye ni ba bia ba de agenda ne be beto to bomboa na didi a wona On to the bomb, no money mine.
I tell you, no, my one Benyana Casabi Predias, one is one young Vitanich.
Now, dear boy.
On this one young Vitanich, it's beyond my ammunition because every I'm here, we crack a move and so boy, maybe you mechi. I'm a man. So more money. Say yes, for all more. Ready and young, ready young, we saw quite a few Patricia. More money, and I'm going from him for my command, more money.
I can to bomb one.
To bomb the uncle. That Friday. I want to bomb it. So the camera.
Start off with them for say. Someone got on.
That's a fire. If I said no, we ain't come for one by don't do it for the other. Fine. The woman makes that's how I sit to bomb. I didn't tell you to go.
Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Yeah. Baby, I start here and Moakuma Mrafom. Moakuma Mrafom. I did not see it. Me pacho. Oh, damn, the Romeo Phantom chain. The papa of Becca saying, or in Yaminipa, or a sofa. Sabio, we are say one only ya were hanging. Ya wa abofo wo ye nchen da ye no man kitinkiti ah ye enne etwe ye nyina ya abofo no konchen obia wo ani suade hunu obia wo adwene bia kese wo dakora no so da ye na wo kase se besi a wo ka ebem papa idi mi hunu se bia na sabio wo kodi a wo akeni na abro so oh ya wa kodi a wo akeni na abro so samoso wo nyame nipa de a saa nwosra no mia metia mi wo bi magic mi wo bi pa mi mitimi hu nipa metima kan ho nsam abodin nyina bam ama wa utimi kas bla wo ya magic enso edin magic ne da me so what ya say do obeye yen aya dodode e komani bile me na me ka me kire because your president mu ade die nti na ese wo hihye wo won kwanta ne yade de ma no na wo wi awasan ka se onya nti se wo benya ya me nua yi e ka se wo benya ya wasan kwatena se omu hwemo oni omu wiamu no na o pa kire se nti wo ka we na ya twefo afre no o bla na me nipa na wai wasma kan ndi ya hweye bebem tini brafia na cha se bible adodode bam no waje ka no waje dem na we yedibu komani brem so ko dia wo ache said ojam ode ne de ya baje atuma ne de sex na wo kan de bla obi aye titi on the don't go there so obi aye enkom se na wo share ye no enu na ka ho asem
meba akwa minino wakwa bi dan Nigeria wakwa no ko che no ma me no wo Nigeria no woni ne dance afa ni sikenta ne
o evidence
idonyame ma me na baka no ayi YouTube
sa
idonyame
okay YouTube dey say how dey amanfo cancel
ma me na so pa mra asa ma me sa dai
no
what is ma me kano enti we wo se ko ma me nim do baby o so se ko
enti o sha ko se
ah
kire mensi asam so
oh meba
enti o sha
se me di for no me di for trofo a ye pepe na me kan kire wo
okay
what is ko me ko bia me tie no minima asofo fo no a o mu ye papa ene mu mu kan kore ene mu don kontompo right ene kontompo that say the bu go court no le ba ko so court say the we say
na wa sha ne ko
an chicken come here for my to stand you wo mu na to form aro
to me de ketu abi tu ojam dia o pa o yem fa ni ye start man na no ma hemfo kam be hu adi fo papa yanko abeshi nanka ma fashion up no ma bo anto adi sa ade enkoma wo hye fi osuru ni nyanko pa to afa no che me mum se firi na nanu ma bosum tumi bi e no odi ko hye nyanko pa kwan ka bo ma sofo adi si ba bo dia be ka se we dia mesra wa we tie me ni o ma
afana ma tama se
ya kani enti me yanzimani pio
ya
ti me se wo ka sem na wan kan wa se wudi atra me ma snap mama snap seji eno kire se menye Kristo ni
wo ma sam se yonka ye mfa nkoko eti ya de se wo mpro na mo de adi
na no bi ka se sister bi so am sister enti akwala we se wo ka we sister wo kan ya na wa go se akosua wo shanti meka me wo ma meti me agina kasa se we na sister eni atwa me mo snap just snap na friend na no ma bosu na tetro bosu ko ame na wo no kasa bo no so bo ni wi aso Ono na bona ewiem nananom. No di to me ni bia ma wo. Enti me si me jama me di me je disappointment ama me.
Eh, no wa.
Oh yes, and me kan chero. And afa wo nyini.
Oh, me gidi.
Sadia, and your sister just snap. Nene, friend nananom. Friend na me first. Na friend nananom. So wo mumra me so what kan ya fine. So one kan so a wo di akora ni nyina no.
No correct.
Oh, and Trona Dawson. And then a year of Famanyame. No crowd or her. Medium says my making. Software best send a message because why is saying this. And so Trona Dawson. Software in Japan we will do a show and so cast all your truth. But anyway,
Dina make us an anonymous salvation cast so for the British in Pia because of an video so young and near Shayango. Yebe is out for you.
After a moment, after a moment,
I will jump and Creminia. The entire minion can't said we are bosom, Sanky Jama a year. The entire come to Sofubi. Etiam a mountain baby amateur. Na a drone of a beer Saturday was shut up a prapra. No bonum, the sour than a 4 to her charge no appear. A danny that when the boys in Libya who know atom. So we the Mikey no accord dear ye be now so Miss Remo. Wow, farm a phone, Miss Rawo, Menya Kobe, Missy Cabby, just a Sophia can a no one semina. Obias, a wine and soft fetcher. Don't so a coffee could see
and that's so.
Wow, farm a phone. So one farm with the Bible to me, Bodia, because she had no confirmation center. Aqua, I'm the announcer. Ah, new question. Next of what's better information. I wish you have forbidden the phone about to call. There's no can't be a bono. Phone number. So, I didn't know more. I didn't identity you. Yabano, Yamano, I didn't identity Yaka. Yeah, come to for Babunier, Panampato, Babunier, yes, Oceania, yes, I sat by 7 idea, and you see, and never pay, and didn't yes. Did you right? So if you want to move from 2 4 more panel, no tap. Why tap for? Oh, no, me no didn't not on it, that we know not on it.
Now, guys, I serve it a project, mention him fee. So, Yanana was from the Kahubi. I don't think I'm going to go to a movie. Oh, come on for you.
Couple of messages quickly enough. No, me family story. Remember, good morning, Kawhi from Heavy Duty Madrid. God bless you and Lord morning. Good morning, live from Accra. Thank you. If I say good morning, my sweet Diane. If I say good morning, my sweet Bishop and Ujam. Nana Kwesi upon say good morning, guys. Nana watching Yadom say more fire Ujam. Hey, I don't command. Heavy Duty man, they said, oh, they are brown. This one says, good morning, Diana. All road leads to Ujam's wedding tomorrow. It will be fire. Heavy Duty man, please. Today is Friday, or English. You know, the Baba of I know the members were feeling. You didn't miss a message. You were near the Ochna. Remy says good morning to you all, and Edda Breakup Wells really speaks volume. Patricia Ajman says good morning, Diane and your crew. Please, today is Friday. Roughen Baba, don't worry. Heavy Duty man used to say speak English. So Ojam Tom, please, Madam Host. Today is Friday. Oh, yes, we're going to speak English. Don't worry about that one. Heavy Duty, a lot of messages, but quickly, you know, my next story, Emerald. Na afi you know you share say last story no na ye the brofo na ahihye so magic pro won pew brofo what the brofo what's it magic the brofo what education background you say what are you talking about what are you talking about
what are you say
I'm sitting for the interaction na me dey kira wo
I'm not going to send you message because abra yem papa Jerry John Rollins film no ebe to just say the baba di epie mu na opie mu no o say ne papa ne Jerry Rollins na nipa estopo no ama se bi went me nya kwanya ambe ne papa bebre no maame dokun if say maame dokun ti me ko jiska no dia bre no ne ade but na maame dokun aba bontin abe clear and say on kaida
money pass.
Can show video.
Your late president. My woman, I said that in Kofon Jim to me say, papa no enti wo say de wonim say eye papa no eba ene woman na oba yo be dede no so kra woman cash money di eye den etu kwan yo so
remember what kind that microphone frame me
okay
TV stations and radio stations frame me I don't remember that woman say oba ye na me se minisika na be koji obi sika na me de ba I don't remember her. I don't remember her. Say me kind of say can meet me. My konenim say brother say me fam kwa ye na say I don't remember.
It's those days no be amba wenim so cross about me ka say eh papa J ne ba ne me.
At all I don't remember.
Okay. It is a allegation by how
ha me kakra say the ha me say me ma wo muni krom ha wo say me wo no my friend me mommy what is wrong with that no obusa no say some people are going around saying say Rollins eba ne de medina sie say ne be ya wo mo no na that means what sort of nonsense is that? I don't know this woman. I don't know this woman and medina sie say ne be ya Rollins say ma that
and say dem mama do kuno enim woman here and I say lady ya Oba Bontin they can say the papa ne former president, the late Jerry John Rollins. And then why did you mention Mami Dokunu's name? What for? Who about him?
Diane, Mami Wenini. Na odi ni juma nyina ya heda ante na wasem bone. Yes. Wonyi ni me wa bomu no na ye ente bone nko a. No bone no so no agret mbeka bi. Ya mu se wo si so. Na nyi ni firi se Diane, papa ne president. Yes. And we are president, ministers mao, MP mao, what you are saying? Now, prayer but Ramunina be with us in him. That's in him so, Mamma Docunu, who say, Una now on any papa, why Uncle Fentia, Uncle and in your time, Uncle, or one anything. And then Uncle would eat it to him. You never be over that. You will say, be a channel chrome for now, we are in your body after. Really, you're far from Sanya, maybe at TC. Never find a woo, and was a papa, yes, and Yana papa. And wo po bia ina dance say yanka say nyasika die bi obi abu no obi ayi nipa onim se ne papa no eya wo maame dokono wo so wonim ge yi ba bia me ka say papa no wu yanzu yenya YouTube yi bi a kire say wo si o ni ge ne ka no eya no kore ne papa no Rollins na akora wonim mu ndijire no wan chem so jiska ma no na say wan di say no that wonim ni ba bia asam no ya wram ka enti ya besre so when you nessa ni wure fi asema ade bi wani anon kura ma interview mfa because ade ne ebe yedene say ge inti dam na woni tirim en wo bodi na kuromu ani wure timi fi obi ana ma me dokono 1 onzo wani afi sa tete no na betima hunu mu asem 2 anke ne kura wuntasi ni bia biem edu ntimi ga se bi odudi na epe bi kura anase ne ete sa 3 bebe pa na ne Rollins wayo ngufa and what you want na for mo when your president nyampi nti obeda wa beka asem se one ne papa wa yongofa and na from so ne papa be nya yongofa de cheze bibi akoso pe o di asem na ye be diem kokora wo ye modin but na wo oda papa me zo wuntu ni furu kra yesuro so enti no mbo wo e bi kra sa amena no bia na ne papa no wa yongofa bi na nim sa ne bentu ya da ko na de afa ho aji wo hu ni ade no se papa no me de me nim timi go kansa me da se ko na fa wan na bia wo Rollins ma ya na nyeza wa kokodo je obi awo papa ni funu kra ho betuma kire na me ka jo ne sama kra je e na ma me kro o ti ma de Rollins ba ese o di isi nani asali wo Rollins ba o ti wa na de ni di Rollins yi Muhammad min tun sam prozo jam to asem eno be ma ta kokra enti no to woni se wan na o tuwe na o mi tun sam Florida ala na am do ko di enti tun sam no sam na so sa wo di ni na ma mi zu na ho fa gina so gina me se wo hu ye bu ba ye tie Agent. Eighteen year, the other check said, if you have it to mess, whatever of an intimate just now, put dinner chair. You know,
Miniaba, Asemia, Omoke, my medocre, ready near me Busamo, Ebiana Martin Wabakosem. Free say Vice President, when any baby co, J.J. Lawrence.
The president.
President, yes, the president. Mumu say what Tesla na say what Siswa ne soja go soja kamno. Obi hu say ebia no ne maame dokono eye fine na say wo ye ne busuani because asam no hono na ma ase
me ye busuani e na yan sese sebio na danfo ne no but they make me aka ne say
secret wa dey say obe ya mato bom secret wo me say sa Rollins person na maame dokono to say ene Misbeh.
Yes, and me yawe maame den ho fe pa yes.
Na ne ho fe. Na politics no so na no do dom to say na Misbeh.
Hono
pass ana so do party bi. Also so bre bi yeso NDC. Yeso be.
No na me pese me hu no.
O ye NDC.
Say what is that Misbeh dia?
Sepa carpet aba MP.
NDC ni ka sia.
Kiao.
E do be MP ni atama. Na ye ba pa free so. Na kofu anya kwan be wura mu. Na so no politics na opempanyifo na asem.
Hona issue no me pesa me hu die ntia akora no eka ya se maami abetra TV so se enye no kore won kaya akora no hona madwene ye me na se na maami no kora no me san dwene wo se ade no oben ye president na say ye ni family enti mo kirem
na me beka say ebetimi abase na oben no but me no me no
yenim
because kuku down yenim ebi a munim
Dayan yenim ni enti am se yenim ne se NDC dia star bi nya yi nanim se me pen NDC a okwa akodu that level
yeah
yetia mamgo di ne hu na ayi kro ye be ma no ayi badini ayi beautiful one ma ma te say ya afedi ye mra ye ha so de no ko mungo he agako woni akubu ado te say mudi ano so to ntanya ne mra ma anim mungo he obi te say Fiaswas nega mungo he obi te say Misbeh mungo he obi te say gay ya na
Tracy
wamuno so de omo jim si politics atum no omutu Don Dramani mama ete say moji we sa amna mama do kuro di ekura no life for be bo premier obeye na be Rollins is soja aban be ma jimi control
worry
won di no ya dey a worry na we asam to the sense
ebia no worry
ebia dey o me dey can say na
ebia no worry
so I evidence
say man na wuni funu kura
mame na chese mami ni abaya ya obeka say oyi na dance say maame dokono ye pa yonko busa no won na ye ne dance ni no maame so abetena TV so any radio so say o get no kura wonim no hono na ye me na kakra on say Ghana fo abusuafo mpanyimfo enkola asofofo na nafo ahemfofo obia mfa na dwene nkɔ ho na asem no on hwɛ the way a point ni city e ba bia akora ne kafa any baby ma me to cross abeka afa no minim ewiase no se no kura no ka ya de mfia be siusuo se yo ama se mi hu de men kan fa asem yo
bia na satam na bia babto bia satam no na oni ma
ya na ta ho no go mi ya no ya
me dia ya na o jam de duru baby mame
fa ko bro kuna no kan
but you see this message that I really want to
bia no worry
Madam Host, you should have actually finished listening to Mame Dokuno to an end. You will see that she is a liar, and the woman, she's a liar. The woman is what, because she said Konadu Rollins was her friend, so she can actually do that to her. Because now Koba say, na Mame Dokuno down for pani Rollins
really? Oh, asma America.
Down for pani Rollins no go fear hope. Because then I'm almost on the onset 35 December women's movement and then I'm not just say Mame Dokuno name wa oduko pio because na one name Mame no and I never never. So my friend do at 31st December. No, na me do kwedi mu tintimai.
Wow.
E mu wana na ma me do kwenti me di bi en such children's home na.
Okay. Okay.
As the time I said my me do kuno e free in part ne mu no. And I come back say and ye gu no. Okay. Home no e won say be ye bubija e wo Ghana. So probably maybe
me use probably ni bi mo nya huna bi di probably no ka ye nya ni bi
dem me pesa me ka to aso ntem okay enti e bia ma me ka twi bia na kwa yese na lady no na no crest bia na se any the late president but e bi so na because say na ya ma me dokuna dan fo so sabi ene ne yere ni
what do you mean correct
e bia
Ghana yan ka se minje ye mampani da Rollins man omunya isa yi mu no mo me twen se we na se wo yare kakra ne nsa ye ba ko no freeze da o man nyina nto Israel ni na obaye o man nyina nto yo se Rollins ba o man nyina nto ababa o ni picture nyina hu sese enti no woje tuma o ma ju sika nkodi eno ase ye onua bi that's all ena moja nso ye adwuma edi ye ka nyo ono ayo ono moja no so woni mu musumu wo bi mun gwata se
dai but I am bacha utimi ba do kron pesa se mo ka
ni wana
ko ba me ba am do kron pesa so na run si up to now mu da free pa ti mo so se bia obi bi na no ka sa mpa e be na am do kron ayi run si na aka na no na kokoso fo be so be kana kure
say am pa fa ye de ato e mo se me se me ti se pa
piao am so
hey me imagine that you been 7 period cake in crime and kwama bebre
baby da
so ba na be kan no chana cake in crime wo so be support me ti me papa ba wo ba bia wo hwe me wo hu me no bra
cha no nti no mo yi no again if no go we cake in crime ba ka ni so
bra
no ba the bed in crime e ba
whatever
papa no was papa no was say for no we won di
and I make enkofu bra
bra ya fa wo mo hwe wo mo
me fa last story
fabla ma me
ko ko je ni me chiao mo me nuan mo be bia mo hwe ma no pe no se munim se papa ba di mo amomra
Diana o yere nyama krokro na ba ho yetanya ye be yina fie ni afoni o ta se da po wa kra ba ho ta na tu asu visa ne ya
be ba e che bia na ye abeku Santana ambassador for COVID-19 na ye na ambassador bi ya pe ena ampo great ampo aba bon to se share me na me great ampo plus me star pra me popular pra e che abeku Santana
am kuma ya dey
seriously we're going to speak English, so get ready.
Na dwuma ye uhu ne san anase eye sa sopa ya wo kasa wa sopa Ghana mampanyini ebere bi atwam no enu nti na ente wo de say sa
ebi adwuma ne de obetumi aye enye ebi obetumi aye but me ya odi ne say kanima obeba kunya na mo sopa no ma ne breye e odi banda no za no at the same time nipa no anamu mo da be bibi o mo no me mo dia me fere eka e bo me di aka kameka se mama mo mi din
oh chesa
jambo na ye sana ye nipa ne sa fa ni afena kameka se nenye
oh ntine chesa wa na chesa nka obe kai wutiri maka se ye
die nipa ma chastise no ma stopa no ma bring it down nana bay mu that's no famous ambon asuma ji se no me can't say that be the for Pabija and Junior.
Na yadisa adwuma hya wonsa obetimi aye
na adwuma no sana engofo ka say oye influencer adi obetimi aye ya can influencer dia so fast we are more influencer than what they are talking about opa for me ojina kra bia se ni pa best 20 pen ho le fa be ku janse na ko dina se na se na ni pen de bo ni afere sa asuma si ni se e kan za dia and is nowhere near some of us. Be a baby on more good marriage, just me, but who can say, when influence ya, when you're popular, Papa, and come back to change.
If we say, I be would name a title will be way and some will be way a tria, or cause say, young family, make despite so ka so mo fa $500,000 kwan kota ato a o mo benya de akọ ebi ani nyina through the instrumentality of Abeku na betimi attract says can be
etina me ka say bi abibi won mo nya ya obetnya ya mi nya no de e wo ho na o mu ka say mo say the music say in influential ne social distinction mo de man me ho de me agisi sabade bia we yi de e de mi ntunya no kre ba ko pe
teenager say wo no wo popular sene Abeku Santana
yeah etina me say mo say yeah come say the mu come say the popularity ne influential na de anya ne kano de ka so of us we are more than him but dia bi wa me ntunya
because Abeku popularity ni yetimi measure e social media as opposed to measurement wo eye kasape say enipa 20 ne ekufri kasape Abeku so de owo eye Instagram over 1 million followers na wo betimi attract 1 million followers e wo Instagram
e program
sa
e program opa interview ya woni mi yewu ya fatu social media neke short term be dipa ba fulai
I know the Audi come such as you.
Yeah, some more.
Magic, when you start.
Yeah, some. Mommy,
it's English.
That's what I was going.
So why are you rushing? Let me control him. Okay, I'm starting with you.
What are you rushing me? What are you running to?
Because you want to go.
They're talking to
for you. My show.
Go on.
Go on, you to go on.
Okay, sister, let me talk. Let me land and talk. Do you know something about this issue? Ampon and Abeku Santana. Unfortunate.
Master, Obi Kasa.
Mama mia, Kafre Donche.
Don't mind him, please. Go ahead. Please keep quiet. Please.
But do you know something? The Ampon is a gospel mine. Wait, I'm listening to the radio. He's talking about presenter. No man. Okay. Abeku Santana. Yeah. In the way the man interviewed this man, gospel man, Ampon. The man interviewed Ampon. He said, when you go to Instagram, Abeku Santana have more viewers, followers. Thank you. And the Ampon say, on me, the followers, I have more than 1 million. Now, Ampon, so what can say?
If you say you're speaking English.
Okay. Yeah. 90 me say proper flashing.
You go ahead. You say, let me see.
Okay. I want to try to miss small. Say.
If I can say, probably is a pigeon.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, my dear. Do you know something? The Ampon say have 1 million followers, and the man say, wow. Oh, you have 1 million followers there. I mean, I think that the followers to give the COVID-19 to people there, not just the Shatawale is more viewers. You want to give to the Shatawale.
So they should have actually given it to probably Shatawale. Shatawale has a lot of followers.
Yes.
And even him, Ampon, and
yeah.
Both of them don't actually have more followers.
Yeah. Ampon say the followers in Instagram is more. Yeah.
I get your point.
Yeah, you get me. Thank you. Now the bluffano, kasa. The English is my language. I'm trying to speak my life in English, man. Odam, you talk.
Okay, so it's your turn. Talk. So what would you say?
Abeku Santana, the monster.
Abeku is monster.
Monster. The Ampon, the slow star.
Ampon is a slow star.
The slow star.
Really? Do you have a slow star?
Come on.
Do you have a slow star?
Yeah, Ampon.
So you want to say that Abeku is
more the whole way. Abeku Santana, the whole way. The Ampon from this my
talk. We are listening to you. Talk, man.
Ampon. The gospel. No voice.
So the gospel, he doesn't have more.
No voice.
Okay, so Abeku has more.
Abeku is the influence talking. You go every day to small boy program to Abeku Santana. That's
me bacho wono so akachi wo ho small boy na wo kan wo practice say wo dia na wo practice me dem sere kwan wono wan sere kwan
the Ampon say this man you know you are very
so he's jealous.
You're very
you have to flow. I don't like the way you don't flow.
You are jealous.
So he's jealous. He's jealous for Abeku Santana.
No, gospel way. Ampon say Abeku Santana you're jealous. What jealous? You are jealous.
Sister, do you know something from this man? No. The English you want to talk to the program, no, he didn't understand from the English.
Yes.
Because the language he started talking about, you don't know about the story. He said, Ampon and what?
Listen. Let me tell you this. The story is that Abeku Santana has been actually, he has been made.
Abeku Santana is for.
Listen.
My favorite. My favorite. Abeku Santana. You are my favorite for this man brother. Now, Ampon. The new brother can't go.
He's jealous.
You're very jealous. They're too much.
So he's jealous for Abeku Santana.
Yeah. I'm talking about Abeku Santana.
For COVID-19.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you are Christoni. Yeah. You are music. You are gospel music. Yeah. Interview for everything. You're talking for. You are brother. You are jealous for our brother. How?
That's how you see it.
Man, tired.
You are tired.
You are tired.
Sister, do you know something about this guy? Where we want to start the program, and the program didn't start and he talk. If you didn't try to speak it right now, if you speak key, pay 15 cedi. I'm telling you honestly, sincerity. I'm very good at you.
Offer, go ahead, my darling.
Let's face past here.
My courts.
Let's face past here. When you talk about what do you call it? When you talk about popularity, Ampon is more popular than Abeku. Let's face back. You know what? Let's go to Kasapin. Let's go to Kasapin. Then 1 year.
Go ahead.
Oh.
Go ahead.
I'm bro fire.
Go ahead.
When you go to Kasapin and you ask for Ampon and Abeku Santana, you have more people who vote for Ampon than Abeku Santana, you know. Because Abeku Santana, as for radio, you don't hear anything about Abeku Santana. But when you go to Kasapin today, you hear someone who don't have even TV, but he has phone and Ampon music is on his phone.
Okay.
So when you ask for Ampon, you get more viewers at the villages than Abeku Santana. And when you came to city, to Abeku Santana name is exist, Ampon name is exist. So when you are talking about popularity there, I will stand for Ampon because people know Ampon than Abeku Santana. You can't dodge it. As for city here,
because he's a musician.
No, yeah, because of the music. If you hear me, it's because of the music. Because when I did my hometown, I have phone where Ampon music day on Abeku Santana. One opportunity you phone. You see that thing? It according to population, and I say.
No, that's speaking English.
According to population, no dear. And so one according to population, Ampon is true. But yeah, they don't change. Young education background. Young education background. When you go to education,
madam, let me.
What the TV show? What the TV show? What the TV show?
You couldn't even talk. You couldn't talk.
Okay, no talk.
No talk.
No talk.
Offer. When you talk about education background, my brother Abeku is powerful than great Ampon. You see, because as Abeku, when he's still doing his work, he go to school. You see, so his level in education background and politics, is high. That's the reason why they give him that opportunity. If it is not that there, Anka me offer say Ampon, yeah, he's more popular than Abeku Santana. Let's put that one aside, and we have to face fact here. Okay. This is one thing that I hate about MPP people. Let's look at this angle. Okay. Abeku Santana and Ampon, who is more fighting for MPP to come power. Ampon even destroy his fame that he get, because in Ghana here, if you come out like I'm MPP, I'm NDC, people hate you. Yeah. But he put his music career aside, then he fight for MPP. So if in case there is a position coming up, you have to let him eat. When you go to the Bible will tell you a funumu, the English name of a funumu horse. You know his food container. What's your funumu grown in the Daka? You see that? In terms of this, he has to eat. Okay. But MPP before they don't know. Yeah, they have to be unfair. During this election, I interviewed Ampon like 3 times. He still stands for MPP. He don't care whether the viewers, he will lose his viewers or his fans. He don't care. He's still there for MPP. Ampon stand and another Danko Akufo-Addo will not die. He will live. Now we're saying
alright, so Abeku is still die.
Abeku is
speak English.
Abeku.
My phone lines are open, so give me a call 020266846261. Because of the English, Jam Piri naturally express himself.
When you are talking, you cross your leg, you left and right and center.
Get ready tomorrow, come to your hometown. We'll come in. We're going to follow you to your hometown tomorrow. Who really want to come with us, who really want to support you, Jam? Our hands are really open, our doors are open. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Let me hear you, my dear.
Hello, Kasayeti, one uncle. Why?
Me pacho, customer.
Nah, go, and Jay, I would go straight. Never.
That's why I about Abeku Santana. I put that just saying which passage. That passage more power. Where you anybody. So I question away from here. If you ever see it before say, you have one for something and for the good. I'm going to be actually now for Africa.
Yeah, that's it. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. 0202668462 or 61 or Freya made you so and yes I be you if so. Hello, good morning. Good morning. I change you. Good morning. If I just what's your new television now?
My name is calling from Mafutia Inspiration. What I want to say. Hello?
I'm listening. Please go ahead.
Okay, my name is David. Calling from Mafutia Inspiration. When the program talks about your program is concerning Abeku Santana and Great Ampon. You see, our uncle, was talking something about popularity. It is about the popularity and Abeku Santana. For the education background, like our uncle was saying, Abeku Santana is very good. But if you are into the friend the whole human aspect now, and you can people can be flaky and stuff. They have to vote for
great outcome. Okay.
Music and stuff. So I don't think Africa and Ghana can compare itself to
great outcome. All right. Okay. Thank you so much. Also, wait my friend 0202668462. Hello, good morning. Of how many till? Of how you just so many till?
Sometimes when we're talking in terms of you have to speak the truth. Let people get to know the root of the problem. You understand? The situation which is at hand, it's just that you have to let everyone get to know that, oh, it's true. The lady came to me. She explained everything to me, and I went to the father, told the father that this is what is going on outside. The father knows. That's what he said. He has children outside, and he has children outside. So every time he has to focus his mind and everything is true. But for all of you, all the guys will be the same thing in their person. I'm the people that are putting going there. After one somebody, when you can work, the continue to do.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Great. We have 82 calls, 9 sorry. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning. Good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Pacho meeting wonka matching.
Hello.
The Pacho boss meeting wonka by Yanko. Okay, yeah, the phone, you know, ABC. If you say, when you're watching some good way for them, the episode, you know, saying, intimidacy. You have a call.
Dan, when you are going, my regards.
You still want to speak English?
Hey, but they are bandy above. And regards to go so mine and I was about what was some brand. And a drama and I very much every day. Anita, hotel, CEO of Anita, hotel, Michano.
Don't say Michano.
Yeah, I greet them for then Reverend Mrs. Kuku. Can you say that? As for that one, you can't go in. God bless me for sharing somebody. I'm an ashwood.
God bless me in
for
shilling
somebody. Shilling. I should a chair with this cat of Paraguay. Today, with this cat of Paraguay is open his palm. I put it in the so you all go there. Tomorrow is Mojam's wedding, so we are all moving to. You are working on everything.
Okay, yeah, my sister.
What's the name of the place?
Kunsu.
The one you are wedding.
Yeah, Kunsu. Yeah.
So say it.
Kunsu, you are wedding. You go 2 times.
We'll move from here around.
What time
I'm saying,
Kunsu.
10
from 10 going.
10 going.
And every hago.
Not starting.
So why you run away from it?
I don't know.
But I won't even let you talk again.
Oh,
yes.
Let me check with you.
Ah, okay, so speak English.
My sister.
Next year, we get it. Chiawabana, continue.
Okay, my sister. Dina. My sister,
and your son.
My son is Ishra. My son is
Ishra. And then your wife.
Oh, that's a problem.
Let me greet my sweet baby girl.
My sweet sweetheart.
Why are you looking at my face? I'm greeting my sweet baby girl is here. My sweet baby here. My sweet baby girl is here. I'm greeting her. Obasewa papa bi. Abna sewa. So what you say? And my obi what's the cry? What kind of bluff is it?
My in-law.
My in-law.
Please keep quiet. You didn't say yours. Your in-law.
My in-law. Mimi, where you talk, Mimi, you know me, yeah, Mimi is the house now, and my child, and my baby boy, leave me alone, let me talk. Leave me alone, let me talk. And my baby boy, Nana, in the house, and Eastern region people are there. Adwasewa is there, yeah. Hannah, yeah. Is there Kofi Akonta? Yeah. And let me greet my brother.
Greet him.
Yes. Inspector Apia. Piao. Kumase Patase. So bro, good about the what are you talking about? I'm just what I'm okay. I'm okay. Oh, I'm greeting coming. Oh, and I'm greeting my big brother, Mr. Ernest. I'm greeting you, Mr. Kedria. I'm greeting you, Sister Hetty. I'm greeting you, and Papa. That's my Papa. Yes, Doctor Kwekuwatin, the bitters of alcoholic. Papa, I'm greeting you. Nice. All the Adonko people, all the Adonko company, I'm greeting. One day, free, no. I like to know what are you talking about?
I want to say thank you, or I wish you all, happy Good Friday, and then many thanks to my people inside our work for the beautiful things that you did for me yesterday. I'm so grateful. CJ Fashions, thank you so much, man CJ, for everything. Always clothing made no easy. So call me now on 0268505014 for your beautiful clothing. Of course, many thanks to Manak Beauty Parlor for my hair, Lydia Cosmetics inside Kumasi City Mall for all the accessories for my face. I don't love makeup, but then my lipsticks and all that. Thank you so much. And then my nails also from Manak Beauty Parlor. Thank you. Right about now, many thanks to my boss, my only boss, Sam Darkus. Papa, what did you make a tree? I mean, shrub, when you fragile, and catch, when you are Masadi and come out. Which now we'll see your hotel Jamichi is a beko Abotanichi. One so him, Nana, Memao, a year afishapa. Wokaso, Mammy Kate, Wonkaso, Yamen so kind of more than the piano for Tamichi. Now, first show me what to say the way we did in the mouth, Pia, job, you see, and I remember this time here and I made you because on Chico Joja, Tinadia, me back to but metal. Copy Frank, I am a director, me cameraman, yes, me director, which you know, so PM, and I okay, and law and what MCR. AJ Hipsy is part of the production team. AJ, maybe I will be an HL. I don't bring much in a cheap, Yapa Pim, a war, a Kunsu, the Papa to jump betting, maybe be a year fair, and see a which forces in a million hours, a woman pipe and more magic baby or baby, baby, about the tie, I come on. Papa, a do a war. A year, Cockabane, Cockabane, and then my major China, now when you have Shapa, now much I'm a refi cotton. A refi, Yami in shop, but when you're flat. Yami Aduma, ye pepper, a year banana, a Juana Yama, a holiday, Mr. Mamma. Oh, Misha Dam.
So I'll shoot you straight.
Radiant Pempens, where do they? Let go of family dish, maybe beneath a Brunia with Fediano. No, I best see Trodo Amatua. Pia
Anima, Nade.
Supply 3 days in the malaria. No, my God, to make us a
man, check with our malaria crown, many baby pa.
So, Minda na ya brain pon katachi. Me nim send ya mititi no. Me ba no, me boa me ho. asew aduro ni nie Dawood Herbal Mixture aduro wi me yire nom sima
Azekonofo wa mama ji wedi Dawood Herbal Mixture ade ama me di hye ya kire se okwa obetimi ahwe ne so yie bra be ma me de chew Dawood Herbal Mixture sahwini na duro ni ni
yankra toyi FD age ato
Adi oi Honey and about